A very sad news is coming from Japan, especially for the Shinkansen lovers. After 2021, you cannot able to ride on Japan's double-decker bullet train. Few days ago, the East Japan Rail Company or the JR East have announced that they will retire the entire Shinkansen E4 double-decker series from the commercial operations by the end of 2021. The retirement of the double-decker bullet trains is actually a part of a plan of JR East to improve the efficiency and increase the speed of Joetsu Shinkansen from 240 to 275 kmph. And also, they are now became very old, as they are at least 24 years old since they entered into the commercial service in the year 1997. The most sad part is, once these trains will be retired, no double-decker bullet trains will be run in Japan. As of now, there are 20 8-coach E4 double-decker train sets which are operating in Joetsu Shinkansen as the Max Toki Express service, which runs from Tokyo to Niigata, and Max Tanigawa All-Stop service, which runs from Tokyo to Echigo Yuzawa. The E4 series will be replaced with a new modern Shinkansen E7W7 series, which are already in operational since 2014. Well, the original plan was to retire the E4 double-decker series by the end of 2020, but due to the typhoon, which was occurred in the year 2019, have damaged the 10 train sets of E7W7 series, which forced the JR East to extend the lifeline of these double-decker bullet trains. The Joetsu Shinkansen is a 300 km long high-speed rail corridor which starts from Tokyo to Niigata. Once E4 series will be retired, the JR East will increase the operational speed of Joetsu Shinkansen from 240 to 275 kmph. Recently, the Afcon's infrastructure have lowered their second tunnel boring machine or TBM for the Nama Metro Pink Line at the Dairy Circle ramp. In our previous videos, we told you that the rest 2 TBMs were lying idle at the Dairy Circle ramp site as they were waiting to complete the structures of the ramp. And now, as the structures of the ramp is ready, the Afcons have started lowering the TBM parts to start the tunneling works. As per tunneling plan, the TBM will make a upline tunnel from Dairy Circle ramp to Langford Town Metro Station while punching through Dairy Circle, Lakkasandra and Langford Town Metro Station, covering 2.075 kilometers. The downline tunnel will be built by the Afcons' third TBM, which will also be lowered very soon. And if things are alright, then the tunneling work will start by either March end or by the first week of April 2021, and it will be complete in the next 2 years. Another good news for the Pink Line Metro. Yesterday, on 22nd March 2021, the BMRCL has finally re-invited bids to construct a 7.5 km elevated portion of the Pink Line from Kalena Agrahara to Dairy Circle ramp after terminating the previous contract with Simplex Infrastructures. The last day of submitting bids is 6th May 2021. After that, the list of bidders will be revealed at the same day at 3:30 p.m. I hope that BMRCL will get a good contractor for the Pink Line elevated portion. Subscribe to the Global Transits to get news updates on rapid transit system all across the world. And that's it for all. Goodbye and have a nice day.